Go check. It's my turn. You know the drill. Step 1, 2 kilos of organic henna powder. Some people borrow eggs from neighbors. We borrow organic sugar. A little too much. Eucalyptus and tea tree oil time. Follow me to the mixer. One of the most important ingredients, organic water. One, 2, and 3. Let's crank it up a little bit. Voila! Just how we like it.